Getting your home holiday ready doesn't have to be stressful. These clever Amazon home gadgets make decorating, organizing, and hosting feel so much easier. From cozy touches to practical upgrades, everything here helps your space feel festive without the fuss. All product links are in the description below. Say goodbye to uneven butter slices with this one-click cutter. You just press down, and it slices butter perfectly every time. Stainless steel blades cut smoothly, and the handle makes it easy to control, even with one hand. It's not just for butter, you can slice cheese, soft fruits, or even small vegetables. Simple, fast, and perfect for cooking, baking, or serving at parties. Snack time just got way easier with these reusable 2-compartment containers. You can pack veggies in one side, dip, or cheese in the other. No mixing, no mess. The snap-on lids keep everything secure, whether in the fridge or on the go. Perfectly sized for little hands, lunch boxes, or portion control. They're dishwasher safe, stack neatly, and make grabbing snacks quick, organized, and mess-free every time. Turn any night into a party with this electric fondue set. You can melt chocolate, cheese, or candy perfectly with just a touch of the temperature control. The non-stick pot makes cleanup super easy, so you spend more time enjoying and less time scrubbing. A 4-section tray holds fruits, crackers, marshmallows, or anything you love to dip. Fun, interactive, and perfect for family nights, date nights, or any celebration. Turn baking into a breeze with this 14-piece cookie press. You just load the dough, press the lever, and out pop perfectly shaped cookies every time. With 12 stainless steel discs, you can create flowers, trees, and fun festive shapes. The non-slip base keeps it steady, and the clear body shows exactly when it's time to refill. Easy to clean and comes with a storage case. It makes holiday baking, or any baking, more fun and stress-free. Make egg prep a slam dunk with this playful yolk separator. You just crack your egg, and the basketball net design catches the yolk while letting the white slide through. It's fun, easy, and keeps your hands mess-free. Perfect for poached eggs, meringues, or even portioning ingredients. Dishwasher safe and made from durable, food-safe materials, it's a clever kitchen gadget that turns a boring chore into a little game. Say goodbye to messy spice jars and hello to this clever 2-in-1 seasoning container. You get a glass jar with a stainless steel lid and built-in spoon, so you can scoop coffee, sugar, or spices with zero hassle. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh, while 3 lid settings let you pour just the right amount every time. A side lock keeps spills away, and the wide mouth makes refills easy. Detachable hooks help you organize your counter or cabinet neatly. Snack time just got way more fun with these colorful dip clips. You clip them onto any plate, and suddenly you've got a mini bowl for ketchup, sauces, or dressings right at your fingertips. The soft grip edges hold tight without scratching your dishes, and the bright colors make meals more playful, especially for kids. Compact and dishwasher safe, they're easy to store or carry anywhere. No more messy dips and juggling bowls while you eat. Hot pots and pans can ruin your countertop, but this magnetic wooden trivet has you covered. Made from durable acacia wood with black silicone rings, it grips cookware securely and resists stains, odors, and heat up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. The magnetic base keeps it in place on metal pans, while the sleek design looks great in any kitchen. Easy to clean with a damp cloth, it's both practical and stylish. Perfect for protecting surfaces while serving hot meals. Tired of cleaning up messy oil splatters after frying? This 3-sided Splatter Guard has you covered, literally. You just unfold it around your pan, and it shields your walls, counters, and stove from flying oil. The foldable design lets you adjust the panels for different tasks and then store it flat in a drawer when you're done. Silicone edges keep your hands safe, while the stainless steel stays durable and heat resistant. Leftover pizza taking over your fridge? This reusable pizza pack keeps each slice neat and fresh. Snap-on airtight lids prevent soggy slices, while the 5 microwavable trays double as plates for easy reheating. The collapsible design saves space, expanding only when you need it. Made from BPA-free, food-safe silicone, it's microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Perfect for pizza lovers who want convenience without the mess. Scooping ice cream just got futuristic. This heated electric scoop glides through rock-hard ice cream effortlessly, giving you perfect round scoops every time. Just flip the switch, and it warms up to the ideal temperature while the LED shows battery and heat levels. Rechargeable and waterproof, it's easy to clean and ready whenever you are. Comfortable and ergonomic, it's great for everyone, making dessert time smooth and stress-free. Messy honey jars are a thing of the past. This no-drip glass dispenser pours smoothly without sticky spills. The honeycomb-shaped design looks cute on your countertop while keeping honey fresh with its airtight stopper. Perfect for tea, coffee, pancakes, or even chocolate syrup. Small but versatile, it's a sweet addition to your kitchen and makes a thoughtful gift for friends or family. Chopping veggies can be a hassle, but this compact chopper makes it quick and easy. Just pump the handle, and the rotating stainless steel blade cuts everything into uniform pieces. Herbs, nuts, and vegetables are all done in seconds. The catcher cup even has measurement markings for precision. Perfect for salads, salsas, stir-fries, or sauces. Your prep work just got a whole lot faster. Tired of messy grain storage? This 360-degree rotating dispenser makes it easy to grab exactly what you need. With 6 separate grids, you can store rice, beans, peanuts, or cereals all in one place. Just press the button and the grains pour out. No need to open lids or expose them to air. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh and dry. Clear windows let you see how much is left, so refills are quick and easy. Want fresh bakery-style cupcakes at home? This Cupcake Maker bakes 12 full-size treats at once. Non-stick plates and easy-fill reservoirs make baking simple and mess-free. The latching lid keeps everything in place while cooking, and indicator lights let you know when they're ready. You can also make muffins, mini quiches, or other treats. Cleanup is easy, and the non-skid feet keep it safe on your countertop. Tired of uneven meat slices? This manual meat slicer turns a whole block of fresh meat into perfectly thin slices in one go. It can adjust between 2 millimeters and 4 millimeters thickness, so you control how thick or thin each slice is. The stainless steel blades stay sharp, and the base suction cup keeps everything stable while you work. It's perfect for hot pot, BBQ, stir fry, or even homemade jerky. Cleanup is simple, and the compact design stores safely when not in use. Hate digging into a jar of pickles with your hands? This flip-style glass jar makes it effortless. Just turn it over, and the juice drains to the bottom while your pickles stay neatly separated. The airtight lid and non-slip base keep everything fresh and stable. Cleanup is simple thanks to the detachable silicone strainer and wide mouth. Perfect for pickles, olives, or even fruits and veggies. Your countertop stays clean, and your snacks stay tasty. If you're short on drawer space, this stacked utensil setup is a small but brilliant upgrade. Each tool snaps magnetically into place so the whole bundle stays neat and organized on the counter. You get all the essentials in a tiny footprint, and they're heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, so they're easy to maintain. Simple, tidy and surprisingly satisfying to use. Ever struggle with a cutting board that slides around? This clear acrylic board keeps your prep stable and stylish. It's 60% thicker than standard boards, so it feels solid under any chopping task. The counter lip catches juices, keeping your countertop clean. 8 non-slip pads stick to the bottom for extra grip. Perfect for slicing bread, chopping veggies, or even serving snacks in style. Sometimes the smallest tool makes the biggest difference. This clever opener gives you 4 ways to tackle stubborn lids without straining your hands. You just grip, twist, and the inner teeth do the hard work for you. It works on jars, bottles, and caps, so you're never stuck again. Great for kids, older adults, or anyone who wants an easy, safe way to open things in the kitchen. Here's a clever upgrade for anyone tired of messy bags spilling everywhere. This airtight cereal container keeps your snacks, grains, and dry foods fresh and easy to grab whenever you need them. You just pour from the built-in spout, and the measuring cup makes it simple to get the right amount every time. The double silicone seal keeps pests and moisture out, so your food stays crisp longer. It's tall, slim, and perfect for keeping your pantry looking clean and organized. Cooking indoors shouldn't mean filling your whole space with smoke. This compact range hood sits right on your countertop and pulls in steam, smells, and grease before they spread. A 5-layer filtration system traps the bad stuff, from heavy smoke to stubborn odors, and sends cleaner air right back out. You can switch between 3 speeds depending on what you're cooking, and the built-in light keeps your workspace bright. It's quiet, easy to move around, and perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and indoor grilling. Here's a tiny gadget that makes snack prep feel almost too easy. This cup-style slicer gives you quick, perfect slices with just 1 press. You can drop in strawberries, bananas, mushrooms, even eggs. It handles them all without fuss. The pieces fall neatly into the cup so you don't chase them around the counter. It's safe, lightweight, and simple to clean, making it a handy helper for everyday meals. If you've ever wished for real pizzeria crust at home, this little powerhouse makes it happen. It heats up fast and creates that crispy bottom you usually only get from a stone oven. You just slide your pizza onto the hot ceramic surface, and it cooks evenly from top and bottom. The built-in thermometer helps you keep an eye on the heat, and since it's electric, you can use it right on your countertop without any hassle. If you've ever tried filming from above, you know the struggle. This overhead tripod finally makes it easy. You can clip in your phone, mini projector, or camera and swing it into the perfect spot. The height and angle adjust in seconds, giving you smooth top-down shots for baking, crafting, or live streaming. A solid metal base keeps everything steady, and the rotating head lets you capture any angle you need. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.